Welcome to Camaro Mods channel. Today we got a shop vac by Porter Cable. Now this is not a sponsored video, although it probably should be, but this is one I went out and bought. Got it off of eBay. They're about $50. And haven't even opened it up yet. So we're gonna check it out. And I'm gonna show you why I had to buy a new shop vac, and I'll insert that video right here. Okay, this is our old shop vac. I've had it for many years, and it's got something wrong with it. I'm not bashing shop vac in any way. It's been a good unit. I just didn't see none of them that was on sale, so I went with Porter Cable. So we're going to turn this thing on. We're going to see what it does. Yeah, right now it's just screaming, and it even started smoking last time I used it. So here's why I'm getting a new shop vac. Well, must have the bearings going out of it. There's the smoke. How long is it going to last? I'm surprised it's still going. That thing stinks. I had to step away from it. I don't know how much longer it's going to take. I got the whole garage stunk up. Well, it's a shop vac. It keeps on ticking. Well, I guess it's going to keep on going. Well, it's still running, but I'm still going to pitch it. I didn't think it'd last this long. Oh well. I'll keep the base part of it for a trash can. The rest of it's going in the trash. So now back to the other video. Okay, we are back. So we're going to open this thing up. We're going to see what all's in here. So I got to go get a knife or something. Gotta get a... Okay, I got a knife. And behind this monitor here, I got the Coin Pusher R1. That's my other channel, if you don't know. And I just did a video on thanking my subscribers for 1,000 subscribers. And if any of you on Camaro Mods channel subscribe, I thank you again. So if you haven't checked out that channel, it's really starting to take off. Okay, let's see what's in here. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video a while ago of the old vacuum cleaner. I don't know what happened because I haven't done it yet. I'll record that just as soon as I get done with this one. There's our instructions. Here's our hose. A lot bigger than my old one. Looks like a nice unit. Here's a couple of extensions for it. Yeah, I haven't had no... Well, I've had pretty good I've had a few companies reach out and did some sponsorship, like Jack Fab, my very first sponsor. And then we went into, I think Super Clean was next. We had Ansel, Veloxo, that's the electric scissors, and we got Extreme Online Store. They sent that big old spoiler. That's amazing. That's really cool. That goes on a Mustang GT. So let's see what's in here. They generally keep their nice big old filter in there. And all your goodies in there. All your wheels. It's probably going to be so easy. I'll be able to just assemble it right now. Well, maybe not. But here's your vacuum cleaner bag. There's your wheels, there's your floor vacuum. There's a smaller one, probably for the car. There's some screws. So we'll get this thing all put together. I'm just going to run it temporarily real quick. Okay, I got a plug-in right over here. It probably unplugged my computer, but it's got a battery on it also. Okay, it's got a big old switch right up here on top. Whoops. What was that? Okay, we're going to turn it on and see what it's going to do. Good. Cool. Need a good vacuum cleaner. Springtime, summer, got to keep them cars cleaned up. This is from Porter Cable. Like I say, you can get this one on eBay. Got it for about 50 bucks, free shipping. Pretty good deal. So I got this in the mail and I figured I'd do a quick video on it. I've been so busy on the other channel trying to get it growing. Once it gets springtime, we'll start warming up. We'll see if we can't get out and do something for the channel. I don't really have any projects right now, but I gotta have at least one of my channels growing. Well, this looks like it's going to be a really nice vacuum cleaner for about $50, so got good wheels and everything on it. Yeah, I was thinking about getting a stainless steel one, but I didn't. This one here looked like it's pretty good, and I know Porter Cable's a good brand name, so that's what I went with. So, if you need a shop vac, it'd be a good one to get. Alright, thanks for watching.